My name is Caron and I've been a LeafFilter customer since July of 2021. I moved into a new home in the woods in the Georgia mountains, in the Blue Ridge Mountains, and although I love it here, I am completely surrounded by trees. There's nothing but, when the fall comes, there's nothing but leaves in my yard. It completely drops at the end of the year, and I think that there must have been a couple hundred trees around my house. So when it did drop, I was constantly up to knee deep in leaves every single day. So after I blew them all off, I looked at the roof to see how that was doing, and I had put a LeafFilter system in back when I moved in August last year. And the sales rep came to my house and showed me the wonderful technology that is LeafFilter, that it looked like an actual no-brainer of how this would work. And he explained it to me and showed me that they were going to actually come in and change all of my gutter guards all around the house. I had a gutter system already installed. It was on the house when I bought it, and that wasn't working at all. It was clogging all my drains, my drain spouts. There was a problem with flooding. It was really a very big problem. So I had called the LeafFilter people to see if there was an alternative to what I had currently. For a very reasonable price, I had a technician come out to the house, look at all my gutters, repair and replace any one that was not quite perfect. And then also he went through and cleaned the entire gutter system and all the downspouts. So now it's been like about 6 months since I've had this system in. I have had absolutely no problems with leaking. I've had no problems with any kind of debris in my gutter spouts. Everything has been perfect. So it's been one of the best investments I ever made, and was worth every penny, because there's nothing like a LeafFilter system if you want to protect your house, especially the downspouts. I haven't had to have them cleaned at all. The product has worked for exactly as they told me it would, and it has been a wonderful experience. Thank you very much for the upgrade to my house.